Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we have some exciting news from the world of crossovers. Get ready as we dive into the details of the upcoming Lexus LBX, a compact SUV set to make waves in the automotive industry. Currently, the smallest crossover produced by the Japanese brand is called the Subcompact UX. It was first unveiled in March 2018 at the Geneva Motor Show. It is positioned one step below the well-known NX model. Lexus, the brand behind these vehicles, has plans to introduce an even smaller SUV soon, which will be called the LBX. Recently released teasers provide some insight into its appearance. It is expected that the LBX will be based on the Toyota Yaris Cross, another crossover that was unveiled in the spring of 2020. At this point, we can only speculate about the extent of their similarities, but it's clear that the LBX will have a unique front-end design with a bumper-integrated radiator grille. It's possible that the LBX will resemble one of the concept cars showcased by Lexus in 2021. However, it won't be an exact replica since it will feature different headlights, and the production model will have a black roof. The LBX will also have round wheel arches, unlike the Yaris Cross. As for the rear, the only information available is from a teaser image, which shows curved LED parking lights running across the back. In terms of the technical aspects, the LBX is expected to adopt many elements from the Toyota Yaris Cross. It is built on the GAB platform, which is part of the TNGA architecture. In Europe, the Yaris Cross is offered with a hybrid powertrain that includes a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated 3-cylinder petrol engine, an electric motor, and an electromechanical continuously variable transmission, CVT. The total power output of this hybrid system is 116 horsepower, and it is front-wheel drive. In the Japanese market, the Yaris Cross is also available with a non-hybrid 1.5-liter engine producing 120 horsepower, and it can be paired with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The LBX will have its premiere on June 5th in Milan. That wraps up our exciting preview of the upcoming Lexus LBX, set to be revealed on June 5th in Milan. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and in-depth reviews as we bring you the latest news from the world of automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to never miss a video.